Hello everyone. Funny thing, I was just playing just for fun and kind of using these kits that Elena and I have just been really enjoying. We've been really having fun playing with these, and I'm excited to kind of show you what we're going to make with them next month for the kit. But these are just fun and easy to play with. Super satisfying. Things just kind of come together, which is really nice. So I was just relaxing and playing, and then I thought, you know what? I realized I kind of have like a secret formula for creating these sorts of items. I'm going to be using these as probably either tuck spots or journaling cards or pockets. They can kind of be used for any of that. But I realized I kind of just have a formula that I sort of stick with in my head. And I thought that would be maybe something that I would want to share. So I thought I'd craft a few of them here with you. I'll put these additional samples up here. Let me back up just a hair so hopefully you'll be able to see everything. But I have some additional ones that I've just been kind of playing with. So I thought I would show you kind of my formula. So I start with my base, and this is my base piece here. And then what I'm going to want to do is I want like a main image, whether that be a butterfly or in this case I'm using a plant, whatever it might be. And then I decide if I want things to be layered in front of that or behind it, and either one is fine, just depending on the look I'm going for. So then I'll start kind of layering. And here's another element that I always seem to put in somewhere, and that is something metal. So I just had an eyelet in this little tag, and so I'm using that and just sort of playing. I like to get some kind of either a number or a word or both. And I kind of work in, you'll notice, see how this is kind of like a triangle area. This is sort of this triangular shape. This is also sort of this, a flow of some direction that it's going to point your eye towards something. And I kind of tend to do that all the time too. So anyway, I don't know, maybe it's a secret formula or maybe it's just me. But I'm going to play around. Here's another fun metal element that I can use on this one. So I'm just kind of messing with this and seeing where I want see that flow right there? I do it every time, you guys, every single time. All right, it might, sometimes I look for opportunities to have something that sticks off the page, and that even continues with that same directional flow. So I love this. I love how that looks. I'm gonna put that down, and hopefully I remember where everything goes. So this can go on the back. I'll start there. I kind of keep those together and then work my way out. Okay, there we have it. So there is an example. The glue will dry clear, hopefully, but I kind of had to make sure that was going to stay down. So let me get that kind of up close. But isn't that cute? But you can kind of see this directional flow and how that draws the eye a certain direction. So there's another. I have one last one. I wanted to do another one, this landscape. Is that right? Yeah, landscape. Yes. To do another one of those. So I picked out some images, and I love this giant butterfly. I wanted something maybe behind it, so I was playing with this clock. Let's see. A number is always fun, and our word. Like, I love to have a word. But notice they're kind of clustered together again. And I have this tab. You could do the tab up top, which would be cute, sticking off. You could even come over on that side and maybe it flows down that way. I think I kind of like that better. So let's put it down. Okay, there we go. And then we're missing what? We're missing our metal element. So I had a cute little rusty paper clip that I can put on there somewhere and clip that on the edge of a page or something, which would be really cute. So I'm trying to, this coloring in here today is pretty bad. It's a nice overcast day here, but anyway, it's really beautiful. It would be fun to do a little stamping. So I'm gonna grab my Tim Holtz. I think I want it to be a little number. Let's see if this one is too, I think that'll work. Let's do it. I'm just gonna plop it on there. I'm not gonna worry about getting my block, but I always regret when I do that. Oh, I'm gonna regret it. I can already tell. Nope, we did it. Yay. All right, and now you can see another fun technique if we wanted to add some more stamping, which once you get it out, you might as well have a fun play with them. So we'll add a couple more, maybe something down in here, because it's fun when you have an element glued down and then you take a stamp over the top of that, because it just adds an additional element of layering. Gives it a little extra, you know. Okay, so there we go, that one's done. But anyway, I just wanted to share that magic little formula with you, and hopefully that's something that will come in handy for you and you can have a lot of fun with these. Gather up all your little bits. You can use what you have, or you can check out the links below and get this fun set that has all of this stuff in it and just play. So anyway, I hope you have a fabulous day and we will talk to you later. Bye.